Greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrency trading. If you're on the hunt for the top 5 crypto exchange platforms to buy, sell, and trade your digital assets, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is CoinTrade Pro. This exchange is renowned for its user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading. With advanced charting tools and a smooth trading experience, CoinTrade Pro is a favorite among both beginners and experienced traders. eToro is a social investment and multi-asset brokerage company. eToro's platform enables both manual and social investing and is available at www.etoro.com and through the eToro mobile app. Looking for trading on the go? Say hello to Mobile Coin Exchange. This mobile-focused platform offers a sleek and intuitive app that lets you trade cryptocurrencies right from your smartphone. Never miss out on a trading opportunity, no matter where you are. Learn Crypto Exchange is more than just a trading platform, offering a lot of educational resources. From beginner tutorials to expert analysis, this platform empowers you to become a savvy trader. Buy, sell, and trade digital assets with our award-winning crypto trading platform that is TradeStation. Packed with secure technology solutions and a suite of advanced trading tools sophisticated traders need. You can join the new digital economy with TradeStation easily to learn and invest in crypto. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please subscribe our channel to get more insights about crypto world with our next videos. Till then, happy trading.